Hello, my name is Eva Kongshöj. I am the CEO of BITOREQ in Stockholm and also here in the southern part of Sweden. We work with intelligent automation, and that is software robots and artificial intelligence. I will give you an example of how you can use these robots to gain valuable time, for instance, in care. I have an example where you have to imagine that you are a caregiver or a commune. The rules are such that if the caregiver is ill, the commune needs to pay sick leave salary for the person. Quite complicated handling, and I don't want you to go into details. Just see that this takes about 14 days to get this money out. And it takes about 30 minutes per sick individual to get the administration running for this person. Don't go into the details, but look at the amount of time used. That could be used for something else, more valuable. This is one example. This is the calculation that is being done on both sides, both in the caretaker and also in the commune. That's the reason why it takes time to calculate. And it's not only once a day, it's a lot of days, a lot of times a day if you are a big commune. This is what we have been doing. We have added software robots into the process to gain time. And we have come to a total throughput of 1 day instead of 14 days to do the whole thing. And we have also limited the amount of time for the handler at the commune from 30 minutes to 1 minute. And we have done that by, first of all, making an e-tjänst in English. What's that? E-service, thank you. An e-service, and we have made a robot, Robin, to make all the calculations, make all the preparations, and do everything, every check towards Evo and towards the system in place. And the only thing left for the commune is to get the figures in front of you and say, okay, this looks reasonable, yes or no. And that means that you will not make double calculations. You will agree immediately upon the figures, and you get support in the process, and that's what we want to do. I mean, gain time to do professional tasks. And this is what it looks like if you look at the screenshots. I didn't connect or hook up to this commune. I just wanted to show you that this exists. And also how we mark with colors if everything is okay. And the handler can always go behind the scene, so to speak, to look at the calculations. So it's nothing hidden. It's only a supporting tool for doing what you need to do anyway, gaining time. And we are here today at B0211, and if you want to continue to talk to us, please come join us and get in touch.
Okay, thank you, Eva. So it's super easy.
Yeah, you just need a robot and some good programmers.
And you keep all the existing old systems.
Yes,
down under.
We don't touch the IT systems, which is, we don't do systems integration via APIs. We don't do data migration, because we know that if we should have done that, it would cost much more time and effort. We say we do things in months instead of years. So if it takes 4 years to do a systems integration, it takes 4 months to do what we are doing.
And you can still keep the old systems. What happens to them?
They can be there, and we can, if the IT department for some reason wants to add another system, we can make it in a controlled way using the robot to do the actual migration in a controlled way.
Great, sounds like heaven to me. What about you?
A few words. I think the administrative burden in the healthcare is horrible, and everyone is going to contribute to make it more easy. I think we should embrace all the people who do it. Thanks.
Thank you, Eva.
Thank you.
I
I agree. And I
you
think
have something more?
A key point is that you actually don't need to integrate with the IT systems, because I think that's one of the main hurdles of actually doing anything.
Yes, and all for all the innovators everywhere. I mean, there are good things and good stuff, good things, good systems you want to integrate to the existing legacy. Having a robot in place, you can do that without changing the IT environment.
And the results are amazing.
Yes.
1 day versus 14, 1 minute versus 30.
Yeah. And this was the thing that hurt the most in this particular commune.
Yeah. Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Eva.
Thank you.